welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have a haul for you guys. I feel like it's been forever since I've done hauls. Hauls used to be like my thing, they used to be my jam, but I honestly, I was going to say I don't spend money on clothes that often, but that is a dirty lie. But I just don't spend like a lot of money at like one time where it's like enough for a haul, you know what I mean? I just like sporadically buy clothes here and there. So I am really excited to bring this video to you guys today. I'm sorry that once again I have been absent. There's just a lot going on, girl. Like it's just been stressful, honestly. So that's really, I know that's not an excuse. I mean, everybody has stress, everybody has things going on in their life, but I'm sorry that YouTube has taken a back burner, but I'm back. I know that I said that in my last video and then I was gone for like a week, but trust me, I'm here. We're here. Let's just be happy, okay? But for today's video, I have a kind of like a collective haul for you guys. I'm really excited. If you guys like hauls, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, make sure to hit that little notification bell, because it notifies you every time I upload. Make sure that you select all notifications so that it notifies you every time that I upload. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say for now. Let's go ahead and get right into the haul. Alright, so I have stuff from Forever21, WalMart, Five Below, and Ulta. So I'm going to start off with Ulta because it is the smallest amount of things. So first off, I got this Cochise Cosmetics Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. It just looks like this. I wanted to try this out because I wanted a new shine control primer. I have like a lot from the drugstore, but excuse me, I wanted to try this out because I never tried anything from Cochise Cosmetics and I've heard a lot of really good things about them. I think Casey Holmes uses them a lot, so I just wanted to try this out. It says a silky matte finish, long lasting and oil free, so you can't beat that. I also had a coupon to Ulta for 20% off, so I kind of just wanted to go in and get some stuff that I needed. And then I just picked up another mascara. This is the Falsies Volume Express by Maybelline. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I think that it just really lengthens and volumizes your lashes, and it does definitely give you the false lash effect. I love using this mascara on my bottom lashes. I have been wearing falsies a lot recently, so I haven't really been applying that much mascara to my top lashes, but when I don't wear falsies, this is also a really great mascara because it makes your lashes super long, super fluttery, and I really love it. So this is a repurchase for like the millionth time. I also picked up something new. I picked up the Morphe Bronze and Contour. I got the shade Showmance. I'm really excited about this because, as you guys know, if you watched my channel for a really long time or like any of my makeup tutorials, I was obsessed with the NYX Matte Bronzer in Deep Tan. Like that was the only bronzer like I ever used. So I was trying to find a new bronzer and I was walking through Ulta and I saw this one on display and I thought that it was so gorgeous. It has a bronzer shade on this side, sorry, and then like a highlight shade on the other side. I thought that this was so beautiful, especially for summertime, because sometimes I want like a little bit more of a glow for summertime, and I think that these two colors together are going to be absolutely gorgeous. And they're not super orangey, but they're not super gray either, so I'm really excited to try this out. Look forward to a makeup tutorial coming soon with this. I'm so excited, as well as the primer. And it also comes with a mirror, which I think is amazing, so like if you're on the go and need to touch up, I think that this will be great. And I love Morphe. Morphe is one of my favorite brands. I've been a fan of Morphe since like before like Jaclyn Hill was talking about it, so I really love Morphe. But I don't have an affiliate code or anything like that. That is just honestly my opinion. And then lastly, from Ulta, I went ahead and picked up this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Black Fever. I have been using the Smashbox I think it's Always On gel liner. I actually gave that to my mom, so I needed a new one, and I didn't want to spend $16 on a eyeliner pencil just because I think that's a little crazy, even though it was so good. But this one, I swatched it on my hand and like I took a shower and it was still sticking around. So I'm really excited to try this out as well. I usually don't really like line the bottom lash line anymore because I feel like it really closes off my eyes. But this, to blend my natural lashes with the falsies, I think is really good, and that's why I use black for that, the upper lid. So that's everything that I got from Ulta. It was a really small Ulta haul, that's why I started out with that or whatever. Next, I'll show you the things that I got from Walmart. Again, it was really a small little haul. I picked up these shoes here, which are like staples for me for the summertime, and I was running out of sandals. So these are just black, like strappy, flat sandals. They just look like this. These were like $5, $6. I got them in black as well as nude because, you know, sometimes you need black, sometimes you need nude. So I went ahead and got both. These were like super inexpensive, and I think that these are perfect for the summertime because sometimes you just need to toss on a sandal, you just need to run out of the house, or even great for the beach if you're going to the beach or the pool. I think these are awesome, and they have like the little straps and everything, and they're super cute. So I'm not somebody who spends like a lot on sandals because I know that they're probably not going to last me that long, but those were a great buy. I also picked up this pair of shorts from Walmart. These were on sale for $3, guys. I mean, can you beat that? They are a little tight, so I'll probably just wear them to like the beach or like the pool as like shorts to like cover up, you know? Nothing crazy, but I mean, $3, you honestly can't beat it. It was such a good deal. I couldn't pass it up. So I just went ahead and picked those up as well from Walmart. They were on like the clearance rack, and Walmart, my Walmart had like a huge clearance rack where like things were like $1, like $2. It was amazing. I was obsessed. So now I'll go on to, that was all I got from Walmart, super short. I want to show you guys what I got from Five Below. So I got these sandals here, which are my new favorite sandals. I love slip-on sandals for like on the go because you don't have to worry about the back strap or lacing up your shoes or anything. Like, I love lacy sandals and everything, but for like somebody who's like constantly going and constantly moving, it's nice to be able to just slip on a pair of sandals. I got these from Five Below. They were $5, and guys, they are so comfortable. Like, they are insanely comfortable. Like, they have cushion on the soles, so like it's not uncomfortable. Like, you know, some sandals that are like just literally like flat to the ground. When I'm walking in the city and stuff, I don't want my feet to be like completely on the ground because that's sounds a little dirty to me. But these like have just enough lift. They have like a little baby heel to them so that your foot isn't completely on the ground, and I love this detailing. I think this is so beautiful. They had another pair with like this kind of purple lip that I'm wearing with like a royal blue. I want to go back and see if they have it still, but these are so comfortable for $5, and they do not look like they came from Five Below. Like, if I held these up, where would you think I got them? Like Payless, I mean TJ Maxx even. Like, they're so beautiful and so comfortable and so great to just pop on to head out. I think they're even great to like dress up an outfit because like they're little like jewelry a little bit. So I love these so much. Moving on to more stuff that I got from Five Below. I've been really into t-shirts and just like shorts, really comfy, easy style. Although it's so hot here in New York today, it's like 103 degrees outside right now. So the less clothes, the better, honestly, because your girl sweats like a pig. So I just picked up some t-shirts just to throw on with some shorts. So I got this shirt here. It just has two little eyes on it. I thought it was super cute. And I like my t-shirts to be pretty baggy. I don't like them to be tight like around my arms or anything, or my stomach, because your girl has gained a little weight. So yeah, so this is just I got this in the extra large, but this was just $5. It's a really nice just t-shirt, nothing crazy. Five Below has really cute like t-shirts with really cute sayings on them, so I love to just pick those up. And then I got another shirt from Five Below, and this one just says girls can do anything, and it's this pretty like light blue color. I thought it was super cute for the summertime. And yeah, so I picked this up, and I love this saying because it is so true. Girls can do anything. So those are the things I got from Five Below. And then lastly, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from Forever21. So Forever21 was having like a really good like clearance sale kind of a thing going on, or 50% off of like their markdowns and everything. And I only got like a few things from the markdown, but I just love Forever21. Like, Forever21 is just like that store, you know what I mean? So first things first, I just picked up this gold necklace. I really wanted like a two-tier necklace because I didn't have anything like that in my collection. So I just picked these up. It just has two little gemstones on the bottom. I thought that this was gorgeous. I wanted to get more gold jewelry because like I've been getting like a lot of silver and like rose gold. So I'm someone who mixes metals. Like I don't care at all. So I thought that this necklace was so cute, and this was only $5.90. So I'm obsessed with this. So I'm definitely going to be wearing that a lot this summer. And I wanted to go to Forever 21 to find dresses and jean shorts, and that is exactly what I found. So first I picked up this dress here, which I think I got for like $4 or something because it was marked down. And it just looks like this. It is one of those like straight top dresses, and it's just like a cream and black stripe. It's a really light fabric, so you might have to wear like something nude underneath it so that you don't see like your underwear or anything. Like you won't want to wear hot pink underwear or anything with this. But this was originally $12.90. Like I said, I think I got it for like $4.50, and I thought that this is like super cute for the summertime, just to throw on a cute dress and a pair of like those sandals that I showed you from Walmart. I think that that is a super cute look. And then this is my favorite dress that I got. I picked this up as well. I think this one wasn't on sale. This one is $14.90. And this one is just like a nice like light fabric. I don't know what you call this fabric. I don't know, but I love this color as well. I picked up another dress in this color, but I actually returned it because it didn't look as cute. But this kind of like hits me like right above the knee at like the perfect length, and it's super duper loose. It has a halter top, so it's super comfortable to wear. And this is the back. It has like a little keyhole on the back, which is super cute. You can even wear like a cute bralette with this underneath so that it kind of peeks through. I just love this so much, and it's going to be so great for summer, especially on those hot days where like you don't want to be wearing anything, because that's how I feel. And then lastly, I just picked up some shorts from Forever 21 because like I said, I needed jean shorts. So I just picked up this pair here, and they're like kind of like mom jeans almost, because they're kind of high-waisted. They fit really, really nicely, and they have like the roll up at the end, which is so cute. I don't know if these are on sale or not, but these say they were $19.90. I'm pretty sure that they were on sale. So yeah, these are so cute. I love the little detail at the top with like the kind of pleating, and they are so, so cute, and I love them. So those are a pair of jean shorts. I needed jean shorts so bad, guys. Like, it was crazy. So then lastly, I just picked up another pair of jean shorts, and these were actually on sale. I actually got these from the plus size section, and these fit me amazing. So I picked these up, and these were $3, guys. $3.50 I think I paid for these, and they have like the rip in them and the rip on this side. The back is just kind of just regular. It doesn't have any distress or anything on them, but I'm obsessed with these. These are so comfortable because they're stretchy, so they're not super duper tight and like sucking all of the life out of your thighs. For me, it's really hard to find jean shorts that fit my thighs and my waist, so these were really great, and I am so happy that I found them. And yeah, guys, that will be it for this haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel before you leave, and I will talk to you guys in my next video very soon. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.